With warm greetings, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Abhishek Jain, our guest speaker for the day. We are elated to have you here among us, sir. Before I hand over the mic to him, I would like Riansh to throw a light upon his achievements.
Hailing from Chennai, Sir is a business person, writer, investor, and has been two-time TEDx speaker by the age of 19. By the time he was 20, he successfully founded two startups, Hackers Den, a tech startup that explains technology in simple English, and Blend and Lend, to equip youngsters with new ways of career building. He has been featured on several online and offline portals, including The Huffington Post, Harvard University, Entrepreneur, Deccan Chronicle, USA Blog Talk Radio Show, and 93.5 Red FM. He started at the early age of 11 and has about 10 years of experience in his field. Today, he is here between us to address the audience on the topic Insights into a Startup. Before we move forward, I want everyone to be interactive throughout the session and drop their questions in the chat box. After the session, we will have a Q&A round. I would like everyone in the audience to remain muted in the session and type their questions in the chat box. Participants viewing on YouTube, please write your questions in the comment section. Our team will pick up from there. Now, we would like Sir to enlighten the audience with his motivating words. Over to you, Sir.
Thank you, Riansh. Thank you so much for such warm words. Really appreciate it. And thank you, Bavleen, thank you, Bavleen and Riansh. So, Riansh has given a very good bio introduction of mine, and I don't think I need to add something to that. I think it pretty much suffices what I do. I just want to ask one simple question. Are you guys comfortable in Hindi as well as English, or should I just continue in English?
So it's comfortable in both the languages.
Both the
Yes,
languages?
sir, we are
Awesome.
comfortable.
Yeah,
Awesome. So let's get started.
sure, Sir. Founded two startups, Hackers Den and Blend and Lend. Sir, amongst the audience, we have budding entrepreneurs and the future of our nation. So, sir, we would like you to tell us about the insights into a startup since you have successfully founded two of them and have been working since an early age and have a great deal of experience in the field.
All right. So, it backdates to 2011 when I started all these stuff. So basically, I was never into this computer and kind of stuff. I was more of a studious kind of guy. Was always into books and just learn academics and school marks. Was a school topper and was you know teacher's favorite. That was that kind of guy, and मतलब वैसे चल रहा था, and I liked it. बाकी I did not have any kind of skills apart from the academics. Like I just used to study, and I just used to spit it on papers, and I used to score marks, and that's what I had. Nothing else. No proper communication skills. No extracurricular activities, nothing like related to sports. I was pretty much a dull kind of guy, was just very good in academics. Look, जब मैंने first time अपना वाईफाई टैबलेट से कनेक्ट किया था, I was dancing because I thought कि यार what I did something unachievable because मतलब I was very bad in computers and stuff. तो मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था क्या था. And यार मैं प्ले स्टोर से ऐप डाउनलोड करना मुझे नहीं आता था honestly. मतलब मैं कहाँ जाके गूगल में जाके मैं मतलब उस टाइम सबवे सर्फर्स कुछ गेम होता था तो आई यूज टू मतलब प्ले स्टोर में डाउनलोड नहीं करता था. मैं पता नहीं गूगल में जाके सबवे सर्फर्स डाउनलोड सब डाल के रखता था. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ लो आई वाज. तो मैंने अपने वो फ्रेंड को बोला यार फेसबुक अकाउंट क्या है, मतलब कैसे कैसे करना है. तो ही टॉट मी एंड देन आई वेंट एंड आई टर्न ऑन एंड आई ओपन अ फेसबुक अकाउंट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. लॉट ऑफ स्टफ एंड एक चीज से दूसरी चीज में जंप हुआ मैंने. मतलब आई वाज वेरी फैसिनेटेड बाय द आइडिया ऑफ फेसबुक बिकॉज फेसबुक that time 2011 it was able to connect with people. We can have real time conversation with my friends. I can see his photos. So I was very much fascinated with that project. So मेरा जो first Google search था वो था how to make Facebook. Honestly. And बाद में यार पता चला कि you need to learn programming languages in order to um, you know build a website and kind of stuff. तो मैंने यार ये पता लगाया कि Facebook किस में build हुआ है. And I honestly thought कि यार मतलब programming languages तो 2-3 ही होंगे, but when I got the list I was actually shocked कि यार इतने सारे. उसके बाद मैंने search किया यार Facebook किसने बनाया. Then I got to know it was in PHP. Then मैंने PHP जो जैसे जैसे तैसे कैसे भी online से सीखता गया. तो एक चीज से दूसरी चीज I just started focusing. I started learning programming. Then I ventured out into hacking. Um, देन वहां से जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई थी. आई यूज्ड टू मतलब स्कूल था मेरा, सो आई यूज्ड टू स्टडी फ्रॉम मतलब आई यूज्ड टू कम होम अराउंड 4 p.m. आई यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट ऑल माय होमवर्क एंड स्टफ, एंड देन आई यूज्ड टू स्टार्ट लर्निंग. मेरा जो जो कंप्यूटर था वो हमारे पास एक ही कंप्यूटर था, वो दुकान में था एंड दुकान कनेक्टेड था हमारे घर से. So after the my shop was closed and after everybody went up, I came down. I started. I turned on computer at around 9 to 10 p.m. वहां से 10 p.m. से 3 to 4 a.m. तक I used to study or whatever I used to do at that particular time, programming, hacking, जो कुछ मिलता है था. So that continued for 1.5 years, and I just used to sleep for around 3 or 4 odd hours because I again have to wake up for my school. And that continued for 1.5 years, and I was just learning and learning and learning, and that wasn't due. So yeah, so this is how I actually started. And वहाँ से I texted Facebook pages to uh, get मतलब to hire me as an editor so that I can share. मतलब I thought कि 1.5 years बहुत knowledge बटोर लिया था. मतलब मैंने knowledge बहुत सारी चीजों से लिया था, मैंने बुक से लिया था, ऑनलाइन तो बहुत सारी फ्री चीजें अवेलेबल थी उस टाइम. सो आई यूटिलाइज एवरी सिंगल रिसोर्सेज आई हैड, एंड आफ्टर 1.5 year आई थॉट आई I know something, so why not show it to the world? So I started texting Facebook pages that please hire me. And a lot of Facebook pages rejected me. Precisely 18 Facebook pages rejected me before the 19th one accepted me as an editor, and I worked with them for around a year for free. I do not know I can even make money online. तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था. I started because I wanted to prove my friend wrong, and the process was so interesting that मैं भूल ही गया था यार कि मतलब उसको wrong prove हो चुका है. And I just started and I just went on and here I am. एक चीज से दूसरी चीज start हुई. And हाँ मतलब there are different phases of my life, so like ऐसा नहीं कि वो एक ही फेस ने मेरे को यहाँ तक लेके आ गया. वो एक फेस मेरे को स्टार्ट दिया था, and then there were different other phases which gave me a little bit more push to more recognition to the place where I am now today. So yeah, so that's how it was.
Thank you, sir. That was really a motivating response. And now moving ahead, we have prepared a list of questions. So we would like you to answer them.
Sure.
The first question is, so whom do you look up for your advice or mentorship?
Whom do I look upon advice and mentorship? Honestly, nobody. मतलब honestly I don't really look upon anyone. मतलब I used to during my initial years. मतलब जो motivation का जो था, जो business जो भी था, I used to look upon so many people, but right now I don't really look upon people, but I really admire certain businessmen and industrialists, and I love the way they work and they think, and मतलब they are very big names. So मतलब they do not post content, they are very big names, so I just admire them. And they are Mukesh Ambani, Asim Premji, Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata is obviously is in everyone's list. Almost all Indian businessmen, I really admire their work. And अगर foreign में है तो I admire one guy a lot over anybody else. He's Mark Zuckerberg. I just love that guy because मतलब that guy has so much knowledge, and like he started a multi-billion dollar company from his room. And like that's something crazy. So yeah, so these are people I just admire. I don't really look upon anybody for any motivation or any mentorship, but I learn from everybody. I learn from everyone. I do not ऐसा नहीं कि यार learn नहीं, but I do not really particularly look upon. अगर मेरे को कुछ होता है तो I just see that. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Your comments are truly contagious and insightful. So the next question we prepared is, what do you believe is the important characteristic to become successful?
Um, there's not one characteristic. I think there are a lot of characteristics which you have to blend in order to become successful. And success, the definition of success is very subjective. All right. So what might be subjective, what might be success for me, might not be the success for you, right? By the way, can you guys hear me? I mean, वो तो पहले
Yeah, sir,
पूछना
you're
भूल गया मैं.
audible.
तो yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, so what might be success? What success might be for me might not be success for you. Like अगर success मेरे लिए पैसा है तो दूसरों के लिए कुछ और भी हो सकता है. तो like it's very subjective. So depending on that, the definition changes definitely. But what I think general is a mixture of few traits which I believe will help any guy become successful in any way he wants. The first is persistence. You know, you gotta be persistent, and the second is resilience. I love that word, and I love the meaning associated with it because yeah, you gotta be resilient in order to be successful. ऐसे नहीं यार कि मतलब मतलब ऐसे यार कि कोई कुछ बोल देता है and you take it to your heart and you just give up. So you do if you just give up just like that in every other aspect, then obviously you cannot be successful in any phase. Be it financially, be it relationships, be it anything. So you cannot be successful in anything if you're not resilient enough. The third is obviously the work you have to put in the work. A lot of people just talk, but there's no do. So if there's only talk, there's no do, then obviously what's the point? And the number four is I believe you know you just gotta not give up after a set of failures कि यार ये हो गया अभी नहीं होगा. The confidence is the key. The confidence, that's the key, and confidence with not giving up attitude. I think all these traits should be in the one person if they have to be successful. I think baki to I don't think so. Yeah, these are the major things which I believe personally.
Yes, I completely agree with you, sir, upon that. Moving ahead, next question we have prepared for you is, investment is an entrepreneur's best friend. How far do you believe in this statement?
I believe 100%, 100%, because investment, beat anything. I'm not just talking about monetary. It can be anything. Investing in your employees, investing in your own company, about a new growth. So investing is the best thing one can ever have, and um, I think it really is entrepreneur's best friend because once you invest something, and which is very good, all right, and the way it compounds over time, that yields great results, be it financially, be it non-monetary as well. So yeah, so it is, yes, I believe 100%.
Okay, sir. So, what investment tips would you like to give to our college students?
So the investment is a broad term. It can either be financial as well as non-financial. So financial, I'll share both. So financial में तो यार obviously investment, मतलब I know only about stock market, so I don't know much about the other markets because I just do stock market. तो उसमें I'll just say one thing, not one thing, I have to say many things. कि मतलब when you get into investments, have patience and just don't just go blindly. Don't watch movies or web series and get inspired from it, and then you think that कि यार स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा है. ऐसा नहीं होता है. वो जो दिखाना चाहते हैं उतना ही दिखाते हैं, कभी लॉसेस दिखाते नहीं है. And just don't go with the glamour of it, but go by actual. If you really want to learn about it, then get into it. And once you really want to learn about it, start learning about stock market. There are a lot of simulators where you can spend virtual money in buying stocks. So learn from all these kind of aspects before getting into it. Don't have patience. That's That is the biggest asset one can have, either financially or non-financially. You need to have patience in order to see your investment getting compounded over years and then yielding the results. So I think that's it. I mean, don't just rush because it's glamorous. Rush because you really want to learn, and yeah. And about non-monetary wise, you gotta invest. I mean, matlab, you gotta invest in yourself since you are what 18, 19, 20 years old. You have a huge time frame in front of you, and whatever you are going to जो भी मतलब अभी आप जो करने वाले हो वही आपका कल डिसाइड करने वाला obviously whatever actions you're going to take today is going to determine your tomorrow. So if you're choosing junk, you're going to be junk, and if you're investing in yourself wisely and nicely, that's what you're going to be. So that's what I think it is. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Your response was truly insightful. Now, I would like to hand over to Rianj to take the session forward.
All right, so moving ahead, I would like to take a few questions from the audience. So, we have a question that says, what key activities would you recommend entrepreneurs to invest their time in?
What is, sorry, I did not get it.
What key activities would you recommend entrepreneurs to invest their time in?
Key activities I recommend entrepreneurs to invest their time in. Yeah, first of all, तो यार पहले let's clear this concept. मैं entrepreneur नहीं हूँ. I'm not an entrepreneur, so I'm a business guy. So I just know business. I just know buy low, sell high. That's the only thing I know. And I'm not an entrepreneur, but I've seen many entrepreneurs in my life. So the thing which I will suggest all the young entrepreneurs here is invest your time in improving your product and not something else. You know, most people, यार, they अगर कंपटीशन होता है तो दे मतलब अगर दूसरा कुछ प्रोडक्ट आ जाता है तो they just focus their whole attention to that other product, or they just divert their attention to something which is not really important, right? But you need to improve in your product. Invest your time in improving your product rather than किसी और को देखने से अच्छा. So yeah, so I will recommend that. Yeah.
Sir, you just said that you're not an entrepreneur.
I'm
Even in
not.
your bio, you have explicitly written that you're not an entrepreneur. So, any specific reason for that?
Because I'm not. I mean, that's the reason. I mean, who's an entrepreneur? Yeah? Entrepreneur is somebody who, sees a real life problem, who solves it by creating a product or solution revolving around it, right? तो मैंने तो ऐसा कभी कुछ किया भी नहीं है. मैंने ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, मैंने उनका कुछ सोल्यूशन निकाला भी नहीं है. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ? I just buy products which are low and I sell it in a high price, or I do something kind of similar way. I don't do something which is revolutionary or something like that. So I'm not an entrepreneur. So that's the case. But yeah, it's sad to see that the entrepreneur is people love the idea of being an entrepreneur, love the idea of entrepreneur rather than actually being one. They love the concept of it. So that is why you see, मतलब पहले जब जमाना था ना, जो पहले के जमाने में तो सिर्फ entrepreneur हुआ करता था. अभी तो हर काइंड ऑफ entrepreneur आ चुका है. Serial entrepreneur, social entrepreneur, lifestyle entrepreneur, magazine entrepreneur, ये entrepreneur. I mean, like, what is this going on? So you can see all these, ना कि यार people are in love with the idea of entrepreneur, but rather than being one. Because the people who are really entrepreneurs, they don't go out there explicitly say, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an entrepreneur, I'm an entrepreneur. No, nobody goes and says that. So that is it. I mean, I'm not really an entrepreneur. So that's it. Yeah.
All right, so that makes complete sense. So, sir, moving ahead, if we look around, even today, the Indian society is still an orthodox one, where career
Hmm.
paths such as doctors and engineers is given much more importance than a startup, which kills many dreams before they were even seen. So, sir, what are your views about it, and were your parents supportive during your initial journey?
During my initial journey, they were not even aware of what I was doing. So support का तो उधर बात है ही नहीं. But yeah, they are very supportive. They were very supportive in all my years, and I think the reason why I am here today is because of their support. Because if they weren't there for me, probably I wouldn't have achieved any of the things which I've achieved right now. So yeah, definitely parents' role do play an important and a vital part in one's success, especially if you're an Indian, because there are a lot of restrictions for you. Yeah. So coming to मतलब मेरे पेरेंट्स बहुत सपोर्टिव थे, मतलब when they got to know about it, and even when I dropped out of my college, they were fairly very supportive. Coming back to your the former question that world views entrepreneurs and matlab, the parents view entrepreneur and doctors as the not entrepreneurs, engineers and doctors
Yeah.
as the mainstream career lines, and do not really prefer unorthodox career. I think the mindset is changing. मतलब I am seeing a lot of people, a lot of parents, उनका mindset बदल रहा है. पहले तो एक ही था कि यार वो ही करना है, but अभी they are allowing their kids to explore a lot of stuff. So the mindset is changing. It's not completely changed. मतलब 1 or 2%, and that's still a big number. So the mindset is changing, but it has to change completely, like obviously, because if they're not given a chance, if the youngsters are not given a chance initially, they have a very hard time because they don't even know what they want to do. So they are just going through that straight line with that वो जो हॉर्स का जो होता है ना, नॉट सीइंग लेफ्ट और राइट, जस्ट गोइंग थ्रू स्ट्रेट लाइन कि एलकेजी से 12 तक स्कूल में पढ़ना है, 12 से वहां पे मतलब 10th में साइंस या कॉमर्स जो भी ले लिया है, एंड वहां से आगे जो भी है वो देखा जाएगा. तो मतलब वो जो भी है वो स्ट्रेट लाइन में ही है. दे मतलब and the main reason why parents do not allow is because they're very support, they're very protective of their kids. They don't want their kids to fall. They have fallen a lot, but they don't want you to fall. And that's where the parents make the mistake. If at all you guys can show this video, please show to your mom and dad, because if your parents do not allow you to make mistakes, obviously कैसे कैसे दुनिया को फेस करोगे, because obviously family is not going to be with you all the time, right? So you have to. So I urge all the parents to let your kids fail. क्या हो जाएगा, ज्यादा से ज्यादा गिरेगा, मतलब गिर ही जाएगा, और क्या होगा, मतलब उससे ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं होगा, गिर ही जाएगा. मतलब बट एटलीस्ट जब वो पेरेंट्स एक ही कंडीशन में उनको छोड़ना कि आई एम लीविंग यू टू ग्रो यू, मतलब because you want to become independent, but if you fail, or if you whatever actions you're taking in your life, you are 100% responsible for it. And अगर तू फेल हुआ तो तेरे, the reason is because you, अगर तू successful हुआ तो that's the reason you. So that, with that mindset, they should leave their kids, because that's what happened when I shifted to Bangalore. So I wanted to live an independent kind of lifestyle. So I shifted to Bangalore for 10 months and I lived there alone for 10 months. I rented 1 BHK and मैं वहां पे मैं स्टॉक मार्केट सीखा भी. तो those 10 months actually made me realize कि यार मतलब the outer world isn't as glamorous or as it's shown in movies. It's very different. People, मतलब लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं है, and they don't care if you're dead or if you're alive. So that makes you even more stronger. So, and you have to be stronger in order to be in this world, obviously. So yeah.
All right, sir. That was really a great answer to our question. So moving ahead, so you have 10 years of experience in your field in which you have had some really great achievements. But sir, it was never a smooth ride. You must have had a fair share of your lows as well. So what was
Right.
your lowest moment in which you thought, let's move back to square one? And how did you get up from that?
Well, that's a very interesting one. I mean, honestly, तो मतलब ये था जब मैं अपने करियर के पीक में था, ठीक है. सो so I'll get a little bit backstory. 2016 की बात है. First I get invited to Google office for a meeting and I go there, and वहां से थोड़ा बहुत recognition gain करता हूँ मैं, and वहां से I get featured in Huffington Post. Okay. एंड वहाँ हफिंगटन पोस्ट में फीचर होने के कारण आई गेट इनवाइटेड टू दिल्ली फॉर अ कॉन्फ्रेंस. लाइक दैट वाज द बिगेस्ट ब्लॉगर्स कॉन्फ्रेंस एट दैट टाइम, एंड आई वाज इनवाइटेड एज अ स्पीकर. तो मैं वहां गया, एंड वहां पे जो मेरा स्पीकिंग का जो स्लॉट था वो, और मैं छोटा बच्चा था, 16 साल का था, एंड वो मेरा जो जर्नी था, वो जो मेरा था, मेरा फर्स्ट इवेंट था एज अ स्पीकर. मेरा फर्स्ट फ्लाइट एक्सपीरियंस था, मेरा फर्स्ट बाहर जाना अकेला का फर्स्ट था, फर्स्ट अवार्ड मिला उस इवेंट में. तो बहुत कुछ फर्स्ट था मेरा उस लाइफ, मतलब उस इवेंट में. तो आई वेंट देयर, एंड मैं 16 साल का था, एंड मेरा जो 15 मिनट का जो स्लॉट था वो 5 मिनट में हो गया. वो इज लाइक आपको लाइक माय 15 मिनट स्लॉट गॉट shortened to 5 minutes because the other speakers took so much time and they were much more experienced than me. तो the organizers came up to me and said कि यार तेरा 15 मिनट का तो नहीं होगा, तेरा 5 मिनट का करना है तो कर ले. तो आई एम लाइक ठीक है चलो कर लेते हैं, एंड आई वेंट एंड आई सेड समथिंग, and I don't know if people got some value of it or not, but there was this one guy in the audience who was a very big blogger. I did not know he was sitting there. His name was Imran Uddin, and he was there in the audience, and उन्होंने मेरा फोटो लिया एंड फेसबुक में अपलोड कर दिया. मैंने नेट ऑफ करके रखा था, एंड आई वेंट बैक टू माय होटल. आई थॉट कि आई डिड नॉट मेक अ मार्क, एंड आई वाज अ बिट सैड. सो आई स्टार्टेड वाचिंग कल हो ना हो, and that made me even more sadder. So at 2 a.m., I turn on my internet and I see so much notifications. You know, friend request पे आ रहे हैं. तो मैं बोला क्या हो गया यार, मतलब क्या हो गया. And then I got to know कि Imran sir ने he put up a picture of mine on his social media and people were going crazy and that post got viral. तो वहां से मेरे को बहुत बड़ा रिकग्निशन मिला, एंड वहां से नेक्स्ट डे मेरे को इमरान सर का टेक्स्ट आता है कि मिलते हैं, मैं भी दिल्ली में ही हूँ तो वील मीट. तो वी मेट एंड वी कोलैबोरेटेड ऑन समथिंग, एंड वहां से जो मेरे बिग स्केल प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वह बहुत मतलब, और बिग इंडस्ट्री में जो कनेक्शंस थे वो वहां पे मेरे को आने लग गए, एंड मैंने बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े लोगों के साथ कोलैबोरेशन करने लगा, एंड बहुत मतलब आई वाज मेकिंग वेरी गुड मनी फॉर 16-year-old. So now this time comes, the darkest phase of my life, 2017, when I was at my peak of my career, and that's when I graduated from my school, and my college gaya ek mahina, and I dropped out of my college after just going for 1 month. ठीक है, and after dropping out of college, just 10-15 days after, one of my major income source got banned. All right, and I lost 7 lakh rupees at that particular time. I was 17, 16 years old, and losing 7 lakh at that time,
It's a great deal.
मतलब even now it's a great deal. I mean, it's like
Yeah.
it's a huge blow. 7 लाख चले गए, एंड मेरे को कुछ पता ही नहीं. पहले तो मुझे लगा प्रैंक है यार, कि मतलब ये क्या है. गूगल एडसेंस से ईमेल आया रात के 2 बजे, that your account has been banned for क्या बोलते हैं, inappropriate activity. तो मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आया क्या चल रहा है, एंड आई वाज ब्लैंक. आई कुडंट फोकस ऑन एनीथिंग. मैंने लिटरली अपना लैपटॉप इतनी जोर से बंद किया कि वो उसका ऊपर का जो स्क्रीन होता है ना वो थोड़ा मतलब टूट गया. तो मेरा तो दिमाग खराब हो गया था, बिकॉज मैंने कॉलेज ड्रॉप कर दिया. मैंने पापा को ये बोल के ड्रॉप किया कि पापा ये है इसके लिए मैं कॉलेज ड्रॉप कर रहा हूँ, एंड ये भी नहीं रहा. तो यार अभी क्या करना है. तो मैंने तो यार आई ऑनेस्टली बोलूं, आई वॉज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ क्विटिंग, एंड आई ऑलमोस्ट क्विट, बिकॉज मेरे पास वो मोटिवेशन रहा नहीं यार. कि बिकॉज इससे पहले भी मेरे को एक ब्लो आया था, मतलब उससे मतलब 6-7 महीने पहले, उससे पहले एक ब्लो आया था कि एज आई सेड दैट आई वांटेड टू क्रिएट अ सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट. वो मेरे दिमाग में था. तो फॉर 2 years आई कोडेड ओनली फॉर दैट. 2 साल में मतलब कोड ही करता रहा, एंड आई फाइनली लॉन्च माई सोशल नेटवर्किंग वेबसाइट, एंड आई मतलब वहां पे बहुत पैसा लगाया मैंने, बहुत टाइम लगाया, एंड वो भी स्काई रॉकेट हुआ नहीं. स्काई रॉकेट क्या, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. तो वहां पे बहुत बड़ा ब्लो हुआ कि मैंने बहुत पैसे उसमें गवाए, एंड फिर भी कुछ नहीं, हिम्मत करके दूसरा प्रोजेक्ट किया, एंड वहां बहुत पैसे कमाए. तो बाद में फिर से 6 महीने में एक और ब्लो आ गया कि 7 लाख चले गए. ऐसे नहीं कि खुद के पैसे गए, वो जो प्रॉफिट था वो चले गए. तो आई वाज स्कैर्ड, एंड वो उस पैसों से ही मुझे बहुत लोगों को पैसे देना था, मतलब जो काम करके गए थे, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, फलाना धमकाना जो भी था. तो बहुत जन का ऐसा था. तो भी आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू पे. तो आई सेड माय फादर आफ्टर वीक कि ऐसा सीन है, एंड मैंने अपना जो भी थोड़ा बहुत जो सेव करके रखा था वहां से मैंने अपना पैसा निकाल के लोगों को दिया, एंड अपने पापा से भी पैसे मांग के. दैट वाज लाइक समथिंग कि यार मतलब आप एक टाइम में आप अपने पापा को फोन गिफ्ट कर रहे हो, और दूसरे टाइम में आप अपने पापा से ही पैसे मांग रहे हो. तो दैट वाज लाइक यार क्या करूं. तो मैंने ऑलमोस्ट क्विट कर दिया था. मतलब फॉर 1 month आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग. ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, I was at the worst phase of my life. I was just watching movies, hanging out with my friends, web series, eating junk. दिन भर बाहर घूम रहा था, एंड माइंड यू हाँ मैं कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट था. तो और ना ही मेरी इनकम सोर्स थी, और बस पैसा जा रहा था, कुछ आ नहीं रहा था. और मैं सबसे वर्स्ट वर्ष, मतलब सुबह 10 बजे उठ रहा था, रात को 3-4 बजे सो रहा हूँ. बहुत बहुत फालतू चीजें की मैंने. एंड एक और दिन था ऐसे ही कर रहा था मैं. तो आई वॉज रोमिंग आउट विद वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स एंड मैं उससे बात कर रहा था एंड सडनली मेरे को एक फोन आता है। कहते हैं कि hey, is this Abhishek Jain? I'm like, yeah, who's this? I'm XYZ and I'm calling from TEDx VIT, Vellore, and I would like to invite you as a speaker. And I was like, what? मतलब मतलब ये क्या है? ये क्या है? तो और he's like, would you like to be a speaker? And I'm like, yeah, why not? मतलब एक्साइटमेंट को तो कंट्रोल किया था मैं, पर वहां पे हाँ, यस, या व्हाई नॉट। तो आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड कि यार मतलब टेरेक्स है यार, एंड दे आर लाइक ओके वी विल सेंड यू एन एग्रीमेंट एंड आपका अकोमोडेशन एंड जो भी था विल डिस्कस दैट। मैं बोला अगर आप अकोमोडेशन और मुझे ट्रैवलिंग नहीं भी देते हो मैं आ जाऊंगा, मैं अपने पैसे खर्च करके आ जाऊंगा, मेरे को तो मतलब टेरेक्स है यार, 17 साल का हूँ, टेरेक्स है, क्यों नहीं।
बस जाना है।
या तो आई जस्ट दैट्स व्हाट इट वाज। मैंने 1.5 महीने के बाद मैंने अपना लैपटॉप खोला था, 1.5 महीने के बाद।
It's like a Bollywood story running through.
हाँ।
So moving ahead, you started at the early age of 11 with the sole purpose of taking revenge from one of your classmates.
Yeah.
And going from that point to a point where you were so sure that you dropped out of your college.
Hmm.
So, what made you gain that clarity in your life that you told your parents and you dropped out of your college and pursued your passion and dreams?
So answer is in your question itself. It's because I have 10 years of experience. So जो 10 साल में जितनी चीजों में मैंने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था, मतलब मैंने literally you name one online business and I would have done it. So I have experimented with so many things and I'm lucky enough to start early thanks to my friend. अगर वो नहीं होता तो मैं start भी नहीं कर पाता. So I started almost everything: programming, hacking, blogging, affiliate marketing, domain flipping, blog flipping, वो PPC के ads भी उसमें भी करते थे, content marketing, content writing, social media marketing, app development, website development, सब किया मैंने लाइफ में, सब। तो मतलब so when you have done so many things, so you be sure मतलब उसके बाद you be sure कि यार आपको किस चीज में करना है, and you be very sure because you have experimented so many things that you be very sure, ठीक है। तो that's the main reason I was very clear in my life कि यार मेरे को यही करना है। And obviously 2018 में when I shifted to Bangalore and उससे पहले मैं चाइना गया था एंड चाइना में मतलब उधर भी था मेरा एंड तो 2018 में when I went to Bangalore, that was the moment when I was very clear in my life कि यार करना क्या है। The end thing was I wanted to do business, I want to earn money, and that's what I was doing. So then I again got into stock market and all that stuff. So matlab, so experimenting is the key. So experimentation is the main reason why I was very clear enough that what I want to do in my life. So yeah.
All right, sir. So, moving ahead, I would like to ask you that being a business person is not a daily 9 to 5 job, it's more of a 5 to 9 job. So, in your journey, you must have encountered such circumstances where you were too much committed to your work. So, how did you maintain that work-life balance?
यार सच्ची बोलूं तो इनिशियली तो मेरा कुछ ऐसा लाइफ तो था नहीं मेरा, सिर्फ वर्क ही था। तो अभी है थोड़ा बहुत जो लाइफ बचा है मेरे पास। स्टार्टिंग में दैट वाजंट लाइफ और एनीथिंग। फर्स्ट आई वाज सोशली awkward. Second, I was very shy in talking with people. I had zero to none communication skills. I did not know how to converse with people. तो ऐसा कुछ लाइफ था भी नहीं खास मेरी, कुछ दोस्त भी इतने कुछ थे नहीं मतलब जिनका लाइफ हो। पेरेंट्स के साथ तो बात होती थी, तो स्टार्टिंग में सिर्फ वर्क ही था। एंड when my work got a bit stabilized after when I was in my 11th standard, my work got a bit stabilized that I can now मतलब 11th में मैंने अपनी स्कूल लाइफ एंजॉय करना स्टार्ट किया था। जो जो दोस्त बने उस टाइम, एंड उस टाइम तक मेरी जो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स थी, बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत इंप्रूव हो चुकी थी। एंड 11 से द वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस स्टार्टेड बिकॉज वहां से मैं पैसे कमा भी रहा था एंड लाइक मेरा वर्क स्टेबिलाइज था। ऐसे नहीं कि मेरे को ही 24/7 देखना पड़ता था, तो वहां पे थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प मिला। एंड 11th में बहुत अच्छे दोस्त मिले जो अभी तक है। एंड या सो अभी तो बहुत ही फ्री हूँ, मतलब बहुत फ्री एज एन, तो लाइक like I have outsourced all my work, and right now जो मेरा जो time है, it's for exploring a lot of different things. Like I spend a lot of time with my family. I spend a lot of time in reading a lot of books, exploring new places and stuff. So yeah, the work has been pretty much a lot balanced by now. So yeah,
It was
like
really an insightful.
see when you understand how much you need now,
Hmm.
you tend to declutter every other thing which you have in your life. So, matlab, see, right now, the main reason why we all are running is because we don't know when to stop, right? पैसे कमाना है, कितना पैसे कमाना है? मेरे को तो बहुत पैसे कमाना था बहुत स्टार्टिंग में, मेरे को तो हर चीज कमानी थी. But at a moment, you know, when you actually have a self realization कि यार इससे ज्यादा तो कुछ सेंस भी नहीं बनता, तो you're happy. And you know, when you start asking yourself that, is it worth earning 1 lakh more by putting your friends at the table कि यार कि मैं इनके साथ नहीं जा रहा, मैं 1 लाख कमाने में बिजी हूँ. तो वो अगर मतलब अगर if that's the answer, yes, then obviously वो तो आपका choice है. But वो 1 लाख कमा के करोगे भी क्या अगर आपके पास कोई होगा भी नहीं उड़ाने के लिए, तो सेंस भी नहीं बनता. तो if you understand, if you know how much you need, so that's the moment you stop running, and that's the moment you start becoming happy, and that's what happened with me, I think. Yeah.
So that was really an insightful answer. So our final question to you is then final advice for the budding entrepreneurs of the nation and in the audience that we have.
Yeah, explore a lot of stuff. But generally ऐसा नहीं कि यार अगर अभी आप फेल हो जाओ एंड मतलब आपका पूरा घर बिखर जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं कि यार पूरा घर का जो भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके शोल्डर्स पे नहीं. एंड दिस इज द टाइम when you can literally do anything and you can fail a lot so that you get a clarity. So that's what I would say yaar ki minimize your fear and maximize your risk appetite, and just enjoy your life, because looking back you should regret any actions you took, all not all the actions you didn't took. So that's what it is, just go. But obviously और एक बात बोलूंगा यार कि ये ग्लैमर देख के आप किसी चीज में आओ मत, चाहे कोई भी हो, चाहे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हो, चाहे स्टॉक मार्केट हो, चाहे क्रिकेट हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो. किसी चीज को ग्लैमर ग्लैमर देख के आया मत करो. गेट इनटू एन इंडस्ट्री बिकॉज यू वांट टू लर्न और यू वांट टू explore that industry, or you want to do something big in that industry, not because Abhishek has made something big in this particular industry, I'll also come, मैं भी बड़ा बन जाऊंगा. ऐसा नहीं है. अगर for example if I would have come in this industry seeing somebody else's success, I would have probably started hustling for a day or two, and then I would have probably quit, because मैं अंदर से नहीं आ रहा हूँ, मैं आ रहा हूँ एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर को देख के. एंड वो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर का जो मोटिवेशन रहता है वो 2-3 दिन रहता है, एंड उसके बाद फिर से सब नॉर्मल लाइफ हो जाता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट, मतलब इफ यू आर गेटिंग इनटू इंडस्ट्री, गेट बिकॉज यू वांट टू. दैट बर्निंग फायर एंड बर्निंग डिजायर होना चाहिए. बिकॉज मैं अपना टेरेक्स का मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि हाउ मेनी टाइम्स हैव यू सीन a skinny guy like me heading to gym and putting on muscle? बहुत बार देखा होगा. But has he really put on muscle? The chances are very rare, because he comes, he sees, 2-3 दिन आता है, मतलब बना के निकल जाता है, because he's looking at somebody else. And उसको ऐसा नहीं कि यार अगर उसने वो बॉडी नहीं बनाई तो वो ऐसा थिंग you have अंदर से आना चाहिए, and that's how you can grow. Do not get into by seeing the glamour, and please do not be too sensitive with a few failures and give up, because nobody remembers people who gave up. So yeah, so that's it.
Thanks a lot, sir, for a motivating and encouraging answer. Now I
Thank
would
you.
like my co-host Pavleen to continue with the session.
And I'm sorry मेरी आवाज अगर कुछ खराब आ रही हो तो because right now अभी मैं थोड़ा ठीक था, तो मैं अभी इतने दिन से बीमारी पड़ा था, तो अभी इसके में my voice is like pretty groggy right now, so that's why I cannot speak properly right now. So yeah,
It
No,
was
sir.
pretty clear, sir, throughout the
Yes, sir.
session.
thank you.
Yeah. It looks like we have covered all the questions. Now, we would like to wrap up the webinar. I would like to thank Mr. Abhishek Jain for such a stimulating session. We are grateful for the time and efforts you took to share your thoughts and experiences with our audience. And special thanks to our principal ma'am for making this happen. Now, I would like to invite our president, Pranshu Goyal, to extend a vote of thanks to the guest speaker and our audience.
Warm and graceful afternoon to respected Mr. Abhishek Jain sir and all the participants. It's my privilege to propose today's vote of thanks. I, Pranchu, extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty. First of all, to the Almighty for making this event a success. On behalf of my team, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to you, sir, because you spared your time from a busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future events. Your thoughts and your journey have enlightened our minds and have shown us a new path. A heartfelt thank goes to my team members who put in their efforts and put in their time for today. And a special thanks goes to our principal, Dr. Vibha Singh Chauhan, and our convener, Dr. Sameer Lama, for guiding us and helping us throughout in organizing this event. Finally, a big thank you to all for attending this webinar and making it a success. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you everyone for being such a wonderful audience and participating enthusiastically throughout the session. With
Do
that,
we
I would
have
like to conclude today's event.
do
Have a
we
great
have
day,
any
everyone.
audience questions or something?
Actually, while interacting the questions, I took up a lot of them while
Or
asking a few of my own.
no, if they have anything, then I'm happy to answer that. So, like, I do have a few minutes, so it's fine. अगर किसी को कुछ questions है तो
Guys, I mean the audience, the forum is now open for you all. Sir is available for you right now. If you have any question, please unmute yourself and you can ask the question directly.
Excuse me, am I audible?
yeah.
I have many of questions, a lot of questions I have. As throughout the session, I was just waiting for this time कि मैं
Yeah.
क्वेश्चन अपने पूछ सकूं. जस्ट एज लाइक आपने बताया कि आपने ब्लेंडन शुरू करा, आप कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट भी हो, तो कुछ एक इंसाइट मिल जाए कि एक सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर होता है ना कि कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट का डिसीजन लेना, उसके बाद ये सारी चीजें शुरू करना जो अपने पैशनेट, जिसके बारे में आप पैशनेट हो, तो उस पर थोड़ा सा एक इंसाइट मिल जाएगा.
लाइक मैं आपके एक्चुअली सवाल को समझ नहीं पा रहा हूँ कि इनसाइट किस में, मतलब कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट में या कैसे?
हाँ, कॉलेज ड्रॉप आउट में आपने एक डिसीजन लिया, उसके बाद अपना दोबारा से रिकंटिन्यू करा उन सारी चीजों को जो आप करना चाह रहे थे, जो 11 से कर रहे थे, तो 11 8 से कर रहे थे.
मैं 6 से कर रहा था. हाँ, 11 8 से कर रहा था. हाँ, हेलो, कैन यू हियर मी?
यस यस यस.
या so yeah, देखो, first of all तो यार I never really wanted to go to college because I never really had interest. मेरा जो पढ़ाई में जो इंटरेस्ट था वो after you know I started learning all these kind of stuff, वहाँ से मेरा जो इंटरेस्ट है वो छूट गया था. I actually wanted to drop out of my school you know when I was in my 10th standard and मतलब मैंने कभी अपनी ये हिम्मत नहीं की अपने पापा को बताने की कि यार मेरे को ड्रॉप करना था. एंड बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम तो इतना सपोर्टिव बनते भी नहीं, बिकॉज 10th स्टैंडर्ड हुआ है, तो या तो कॉलेज तो मेरे को कभी करना भी नहीं था. एंड 11th-12th में यू नो सी, सो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट अर्निंग राइट, you find all these formal things very very bland and very boring, and you start questioning कि why are you even, you know, why do you even need this, you know, what's the point? So वो तो क्वेश्चन कब से आने लग गए. एंड 11th and 12th में, 11th में मैंने साइंस ग्रुप लिया था बिकॉज माई फादर वॉन्टेड द साइंस ग्रुप. ठीक है चलो, एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई टुक साइंस ग्रुप बिकॉज आई फाउंड वन ऑफ माई फ्यू बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स ओवर देयर. एंड आफ्टर 12th आई डिड नॉट रियली वांट टू गो टू कॉलेज, बट माई डैड इंसिस्टेड कि यार जाके आ जाओ. तो मेरे को तो मैंने अपना इंजीनियरिंग का फॉर्म भी नहीं भरा था. मतलब मेरा एक दोस्त था, उसने फॉर्म भरा, उसने साइन करके उसने ये सबमिट कर दिया. मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था मैंने कौन सा डिपार्टमेंट ज्वाइन करने वाला हूँ. I'm not encouraging any of these stuff. It's just that who I was. Okay, so I'm not encouraging any of these stuff. So please do not follow me in these particular aspects. Drop out, मतलब मैं हमेशा ये मैं बोलता हूँ कि यार किसी को ड्रॉप आउट देखकर ड्रॉप आउट मत करो, ठीक है? Just because, and please do not quote all these big examples कि बिल गेट्स ड्रॉप आउट था, मार्क जकरबर्ग ड्रॉप आउट था, स्टीव जॉब्स ड्रॉप आउट था. अरे यार वो ड्रॉप आउट भी बहुत बड़े बड़े कॉलेजेस से थे. एंड उनका वो देखो भी, बिल गेट्स का Bill Gates' father was a lawyer, all right, and he had ample amount of funding, all right. Mark Zuckerberg also comes from a very reputed family, so they have good money, they have a good backup options. So whenever somebody comes to me and says that I want to drop out, I just say that drop out only if you have a fat bank balance, and you should thank your dad for that. If you don't have a fat bank balance, do not drop out. Second, drop out if you have a skill, all right, a skill which you can bank on, and you know you can bank on that skill and you don't require a formal education for that. And number three, if you're working on something rock solid, something concrete, that you think you can, make that as your career and you can live out of it. Drop out only when you have all these three. And also, मतलब बैकअप ऑप्शन होना चाहिए बिकॉज ड्रॉप आउट इज ऑल वेरी कूल वेरी ग्लैमरस एवरीबॉडी इज ड्रॉप आउट एंड देन बिकम सक्सेसफुल नहीं यार I can show you a lot of people who dropped out and they are nowhere, all right. I have my few friends who have dropped out and they are nowhere, so please do not drop out just because it's cool. Drop out only when you're very sure of it. I dropped out because I had my own businesses and I was pretty much sure about it, and also मेरा financial background भी it's good. It's not that good but it's good कि यार because my dad runs a business and हमारा family business है, so मतलब drop out अगर आप दूसरे लोग को देखते हो ना तो आपको पता नहीं है कि उनके पास क्या क्या बैकअप ऑप्शंस है. सो राइट नाउ यू गाइस गॉट टू नो दैट आई हैड अ बैकअप ऑप्शन. तो अगर मैं फेल भी हो जाए लाइफ में तो आई हैव अ बैकअप ऑप्शन, मतलब सब चीज़ में फेल हो जाए तो भी आई हैव अ बैकअप ऑप्शन कि आई कैन बैंक ऑन. So people don't see that, all right. So you gotta see that, and yeah. So I hope I answer your question.
Sir, yes, sir. Thank you.
Anyone else wants to ask any question? The floor is
If anyone
open.
wants to ask any question, please, sir would like to address them.
Isn't one?
Sir, can I ask one more?
Yeah, sure. Please.
It's just like कि शेयर मार्केट आप इन्वेस्ट अभी कर ही रहे हो तो एक होता है ना सीजनल इन्वेस्टमेंट इन मार्केट.
टिप मत मांगना मुझसे
नहीं
प्लीज.
टिप नहीं मांग रहा कि एक ऐसा होता है सीजनल इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है जैसे कि किसी भी कंपनी के रिजल्ट आने लगते हैं उसके एक या फिर हाफ मंथ पहले उसका शेयर प्राइस इंक्रीज होता जाता है. जैसे कि प्रमोटर्स आ जाते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐड हो जाते हैं प्रमोटर्स और उसका उस शेयर प्राइस बढ़ता चला जाता है. तो मार्केट ज्यादा आजकल उस पे एनालिटिक्स पे नहीं ज्यादातर उस पे वर्क कर रही है. जैसे कि मसाला टाइप हो गया ना, मसाला की एक टिप आ गया तो उन्होंने इन्वेस्ट करना शुरू कर दिया. आप किस चीज में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, मतलब एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है या फिर शॉर्ट टाइम ट्रेडिंग में ज्यादा बिलीव करते हैं आप?
तो मैंने यार
इंस्टेंट मनी हो गया या फिर लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए हो गया कि बहुत टाइम तक इन्वेस्ट है?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो यार इंस्टेंट मनी में मैंने बहुत पैसे गंवाए. तो मैं आपको वो जो मैंने पैसे गंवाए ना, मैंने उसको आपका स्क्रीनशॉट भेजना है कि मैंने इतने पैसे गंवाए भी है because of that instant money kind of stuff. So when I was very new into the market, in 2017, I was very new into the market. तो मेरे को तो पता भी नहीं था क्या था, मैं तो ऐसे ही join कर दिया था. And I made terrible investments at that particular time because I had no proper knowledge and stuff. 2018 is the time when I actually started learning about stuff. कि मतलब about stock market, and उसके बाद मैं फिर से री एंटर करने लगा. एंड आई डू बोथ. पहले तो मैं सिर्फ इन्वेस्टमेंट करके रखता था फॉर द फ्यूचर, और उसमें से मैं ब्लू चिप कंपनी से लेता था बिकॉज मेरे को इतना भी नॉलेज था नहीं, मैं सीख रहा था धीरे धीरे. तो then I even started doing trading, keeping my stocks for maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, depends on the time frame. Then I even started doing intraday. Intraday में तो मैंने अपने बहुत हाथ जलाए हैं और बहुत हाथ बनाए भी हैं. तो that is like a love-hate concept of mine. So I do intraday only when I'm very sure of it. And so I do almost all kind of stuff. I do intraday, I do positional, I do long-term investments. Like long-term investment as in like 70% of the stocks जो होते हैं, those stocks are like the penny stocks, which not many people know about. It's like like value investing kind of stuff. तो I have invested a lot in that. एंड द 30% का जो सेक्टर है वो मैं ब्लू चिप कंपनीज में इन्वेस्ट करके रखा हूँ ताकि पोर्टफोलियो बैलेंस रहे. तो वो तो लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट हो जाता है. ट्रेडिंग में मतलब पोजिशनल अभी मैंने रिसेंटली 3 ट्रेड किए थे मैंने. टाटा केमिकल्स किया था, गुजरात स्टेट पेट्रोनेट किया था, जागरण प्रकाशन किया था, त्रिवेणी इंजीनियरिंग किया था. 3 साल से ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ. त्रिवेणी इंजीनियरिंग किया था, ग्लेनमार्क तो हुआ, और ये क्या था, ये नाम भूल गया मैं. मैंने मतलब सो द ट्रेडिंग इज आई एम डूइंग इट ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस. सो या हिसार मेटल नाम याद आ गया, हिसार मेटल. सो या
Okay, sir. Thank you.
या
Thanks a lot, sir, for sharing your knowledge and taking out time for us. And I would also like to thank audience for being for participating enthusiastically throughout the session. With that, I would conclude today's event. Have a great day, everyone.
बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
Bye, sir.